20 benefits of pineapple for health. Pineapple is a fruit that is thought to have originated in South America, and is high in minerals and antioxidants that can help to reduce inflammation. It contains vitamins A, K, phosphorus, calcium, and zinc, which can help combat a variety of ailments. Its high vitamin C level aids in the maintenance of a healthy immune system, while its manganese content aids in the maintenance of a healthy metabolic rate. Manganese and vitamin A are the two main ingredients that make pineapple a nutritious fruit. Pineapple is helpful for your overall health, but we'll look at what makes this fruit healthy in this article. However, there are a few intriguing facts about this healthful fruit that you should be aware of. We all know that this fruit is beneficial to our overall health, and you can eat it by slicing it or making juice from it. Here are some of the health benefits of pineapples that you should be aware of. 1. Treats cold and cough. If you have a terrible cold, you should eat pineapple as soon as possible. This is because bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory characteristics that can fight illnesses and destroy bacteria, is found in this healthful fruit. It can help you avoid coughs and colds if you eat it on a regular basis. Isn't this a more appealing way to get rid of that pesky cold and cough? 2. Strengthen bones. Pineapple is high in manganese, which is good for your bones. Simply incorporating this fruit into your daily diet can aid in the maintenance of a strong body as well as the health of your bones. Manganese helps to preserve bone strength, and when paired with zinc, copper, and calcium, it can be quite beneficial. As a result, pineapple contains all of the necessary components, which is why it can help build stronger bones. 3. Good for teeth. Pineapple is thought to strengthen your gums and improve your overall health. Calcium is found in your teeth and bones, and pineapple has a high calcium level. It also contains manganese, which aids in the strengthening of bones and teeth. Stay healthy by drinking pineapple juice every day. 4. Prevents cancer. A pineapple a day keeps cancer at bay, and this is true of this nutritious fruit. To gain the benefits of pineapple juice, all you have to do is drink it every day. The best part about this fruit is that it reduces cell damage while also making you look younger. This fruit is high in antioxidants, which can protect you from a variety of diseases, as well as combat some potentially harmful organisms. 5. Aids in digestion. Gulping down all of those delectable dishes can make you feel bloated and cause indigestion. To get rid of a stomach ache, all you have to do is drink pineapple juice or eat pineapple. Pineapple is high in bromelain, dietary fiber, and vitamin C, all of which aid digestion. 6. Good for your eyes. Pineapple eating on a regular basis can lower your risk of macular degeneration, a disease that damages the eyes as you age. However, this nutritious fruit is abundant in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help with vision. 7. Reduce symptoms of arthritis. Pineapple eating on a regular basis can lower your risk of macular degeneration, a disease that damages the eyes as you age. However, this nutritious fruit is abundant in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help with vision. 8. Prevents hypertension. If you have hypertension, make it a point to start eating pineapples on a daily basis, because this fruit has high amounts of potassium and low amounts of sodium, which can help to maintain blood pressure and make you feel more relaxed. This is the most natural technique to keep your blood pressure in check. 9. Reduces risk of blood clots. Bromelain, the main ingredient in pineapples, helps to prevent blood clots. As a result, you should make this healthful fruit your go-to snack. Make it a point to consume this fruit on a regular basis because it can enhance your health in a variety of ways. 10. Contain antioxidants. Pineapples are high in minerals and antioxidants, which might help your body avoid problems it is prone to. As you become older, your body becomes more susceptible to a variety of ailments, which can lead to chronic inflammation and a weakened immune system. Pineapple is high in antioxidants, which help to strengthen your immune system and protect you from a variety of ailments. 11. Prevents nausea. Pineapple has digestive enzymes that can help you feel better. This is due to its bromelain enzyme, which relieves nausea and morning sickness, and is especially good to pregnant women. Is it really so tough to drink a glass of pineapple juice? So, what exactly are you waiting for? Stay healthy by grabbing a glass of pineapple juice. 12. Natural Energizer. Pineapple is high in valine and leucine, two amino acids that are essential for muscle tissue growth and repair. One glass of pineapple juice will help you overcome weariness and increase your stamina, allowing you to run all day. The best part about this fruit is that it will keep you hydrated throughout the day and offer you with all of the energy you require. 13. Stress Buster. Pineapple contains serotonin, a natural stress reliever that helps to relax your hormones and nerves. All you have to do is eat or drink pineapple juice to stay healthy. When you are stressed, you open yourself up to a slew of health issues. As a result, you can relieve tension by simply consuming one glass of pineapple juice. 14. Pineapple benefits for skin. Pineapple is beneficial to your general health and is also beneficial to your skin and hair. If you have acne, rashes, or skin problems, you should eat this nutritious fruit, which will revitalize your skin and make it look clean and fresh. Here are some of the skin advantages of pineapple consumption. 15. Anti-aging properties. As you get older, your skin begins to lose its radiance and you develop wrinkles. Pineapple, on the other hand, can make you seem younger and prevent cells from dying. Its high antioxidant and vitamin C content is supposed to strengthen your immunity and keep you feeling energized. The best part about drinking pineapple juice is that it will smooth out your skin and add a layer of youthfulness to it. You may also add a few drops of lemon to it, which will increase the anti-aging properties. 16. Pineapple benefits for hair. Pineapple is high in vitamin C and is said to help with hair development. Its high antioxidant content can protect you from any ailment to which you are prone. Vitamin C adds a layer of silkiness to your hair and helps it appear thicker. Here are some of the hair advantages of eating pineapple. 17. Softer and shinier hair. Pineapple is high in vitamin C, which makes hair smoother and shinier. Bromelain enzyme is an anti-inflammatory enzyme found in pineapple that can help prevent acne, dermatitis, psoriasis, and eczema. Its high antioxidant content benefits not just your skin, hair, and health, but also your immunity. 18. Thick hair. Pineapple contains hair-thickening characteristics that will strengthen your hair and prevent hair loss. This fruit's enzymes include crucial elements that can help your hair follicles. Your hair's thickness and elasticity will improve as a result of this. 19. Cures inflammation in scalp. If you have extreme itching, all you have to do is eat some pineapple, which will provide you with immediate relief. This nutritious fruit is claimed to reduce inflammation in the scalp and prevent hair loss. So, if you want to avoid hair loss, make it a point to consume pineapple juice. 20. Speeds up muscle recovery. Bromelain, a chemical found in pineapples, has been shown in trials to have considerable favorable benefits on muscle tiredness caused by exercise. It also protects against muscle injury and inflammation, making it an excellent approach to aid muscle recovery following an exercise.